please stay for a little while. Hi besties, time for a headband wig install video. How are y'all doing? What's new with life? How's life treating you? Life has been hectic, a little stressful, but I'm alive, so that's a good thing. That's always a plus. As I said, we are doing a headband wig video because the generous company M-Star sent me a curly black, oh that's 26 inch wig. I thought it was 20 inches, but it's 26 inches. So we're gonna pop this bad boy out and install it. But first things first, we gotta see how it looks. Oh, it didn't come with a headband. I gotta get a headband. I got a headband. So, I got a headband. Let's see how the wig is looking. Oh. This one is long and full. Ooh. Now, when they said curly, I was thinking like tighter curls. I'm not complaining, but I did think the curls were gonna be a little tighter. And this is here's the tag. 26 inch in the color 1B. This is really a long wig because I don't think y'all see the ends. Yeah, I gotta like really lift my arm for y'all to see the ends. Yeah, let's prep our hair before we finish combing out this one and installing it. But I have it. So we got the inside. Very breathable material. I was wearing a couple of headband wigs over the summer, and I'm in the South. It gets hot in the summer. The caps were breathable. Did I like the hair on my neck? Not so much. So I had it up in a ponytail. But the wig caps are very breathable. I know y'all are like, it's not summer anymore. But I'm just saying, if you can make it, this wig will last the seasons. If you're being gentle with it, they will last you the 4 seasons. So if you want to wear winter, summer, spring, and fall, breathable year round, and the hair is warm enough to keep you warm in the colder months. But the cap is loose enough to keep you cool in the summer. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. I'm gonna set this down. Let's get into my hair. I got post-out braids. My edges kind of do what they want to do. I just wear them. Got our wig cap. Put the wig cap on. I'm tearing up the wig cap because I need to fix some of my nails. Got the braids tucked. Push that back, let the edges out. Let's just get into the face card for a moment. You think I can pull out being bald? And this wig is thick, so my braids underneath should not be a problem. That's another thing I love about headband wigs. You don't have to always braid your hair straight back or flat to the scalp for you to get a flat install. This is our last headband wig install that we are going to film from M-Star. This is the last headband wig that they've sent. So I have a couple of V-part wigs that I do still have to install, but we are done with headband wigs. They're now just going to be V-part. And then after that, we no longer have any M-Star wigs. We'll be moving on to different styles. So I'm going to finish up the M-Star videos, and then we are going to pivot a little bit after that. But the M-Star journey has been so much fun, and I'm very appreciative to them for sending me the wigs and allowing me to install them and upload videos to my channel, because there was a time where I wasn't doing anything to my hair, but I had installed wigs, so I was able to do something to my hair, and it has helped the channel grow a lot, and it's given me a reason to be consistent. So I'm very appreciative to MStar for that. If you would like to support MStar, their Amazon storefront page is going to be linked in the description box down below, where you can purchase this wig, any of the other wigs that I've installed on the channel. They are all in the Amazon storefront for MStar, which is in the description box. Now, I was just wanting to see how I would look bald, so I just wanted to do the little talking segment with the wig cap on. It would have to grow on me. I don't know how I would feel like waking up not having hair to do. But let's put this wig on. Y'all, also, one other side note, I have a year left on my Invisalign, and then I can start wearing all my lip glosses again. I'm not gonna take the wig band, the headband back, because I want to see. You're gonna have to adjust the headband. This one is kind of snug. Hold on. Put that in first. I don't have any hair ties, so it's just straight. Okay, put that in. Got that. Velcro. Got the comb attached. Wig is on. It's not going anywhere. I want to push it back just a little bit though, so y'all can see the. There we go. There we go. Yeah. And I messed up again. Y'all, this is the last headband wig. So what am I doing? I done forgot my whole system that I put the rubber, that I put the headband on first. So let's put the headband on. There we go. Let me make it look cute. Oh, I still have my piercing. It's just plastic. And I could have been changed it back, but changing it is a pain. Nobody prepared me for that part of having my nose pierced, that it would not be as easy as putting in earrings. But I can change it myself, and that's a bonus. I realize my edges be like my eyebrows. They're not twins, they're very much sisters. Let's just brush that back. Yeah, here we go. I don't know how I want. Do I want to just brush it all back? Let's have the hair sitting like this. I don't feel like I've ever worn one of these headband wigs just straight. like this, like straight out the pack. I always comb it. I gotta comb it. I gotta brush it. I gotta get the tangles out. Now this one is a little more tangled than I'm used to, so we're gonna start at those ends. Actually make that section smaller. We're gonna start at the bottom this time. Separate. Okay, flip that over the shoulder. Grab the bottom, work at the ends, make sure we are gently. Honestly, I don't do anything gently when it comes to my hair, and that's probably why I feel like my length gets to a certain point and stops retaining. On like one half I'll be like really gentle, and then I really need to take breaks when I do my hair, because I'll detangle one half really well and then get to the other half and I'm like, so what are we doing? It'll sound like this. It'll sound like that ripping we doing. There we go. Okay. I feel like I would grow my hair out and then get it to a certain point and get tired of maintaining it and cut it short and then regret cutting it short and then just keep repeating that cycle. I know myself. Okay. Yeah, this is a real long wig. I say we're gonna see how it looks like with everything brushed back. Y'all just see nothing but edges and face card. Try not to put it over my shoulder because I've never done this. Now y'all are probably gonna see the pictures in the thumbnail and on Instagram with the hair over my shoulder because my edges are lifting. Please stay for a little while. Okay, that's enough. I just need it to stay. But this is how we're looking. Thank you to M-Star for sending me headband wigs and sending me this headband wig. If you would like to purchase this headband wig or any other headband wig that is featured on my channel, head to the description box where M-Star's Amazon storefront page will be linked down below. I've had enough. Let's get back to business. This piece is sticking up. I don't know what that's about. I might have to cut that piece out, but we don't need all the hair, just like some. This is who we are. This hair is so thick and full. Oh. There we go. This hair is so thick and full. I love it. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you can be notified when I post another video. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.